matters what the purpose of a product is, and it's not only the aesthetics, so it's not only about the design. I wonder how the future of product is going to look like. I think there's definitely a deeper meaning. You want to follow, you want to belong to someone that stands for something. What makes a good product for me, I think there is an innovation aspect to it. I like innovative design. I like when someone is pushing boundaries and goes in different directions. A good product is something that is made to last for a long time. So talking or thinking about the parallel in the fashion business or anything that you buy, it's about having something that you know you don't get tired of it. I do definitely stand for timelessness. I stand for buying less, for buying better. I like to make critical selections. I'm also sure that there are materials right now that can be the replacement for the old way of doing things. There are so smart ways of actually to build to last really well as luxury goods. It's a luxury because it's done in a technology that requires a lot of thinking, innovation, making a material built to last. Looking into it, thinking about it, being conscious about it is already one step. Progress means to me to do things differently, like to really think about how did we do things in our daily lives and how can we change things to the better. Looking at the product, think about how long will you keep it, how long will it last. It's a lot about usability and actually really using something. So that being said, I hope that we all move forward thinking more about what the future actually will look like. I mean, we all didn't think that the future that we have, or the presence that we have now, would ever come to us, that we would not shake hands and hug each other and wear masks. But I hope that this is kind of a wake-up call, how incredibly connected we are, how incredibly fast things are spreading. Why not making nice ideas spread? Why not making movement spread of doing things in a better way? I hope that that kind of attitude of doing things better will also be part of the globalization that we talk about in an economic way, that it's also an attitude of everyday living. What is your story of progress?